Hey y'all, Braxton Boys Maintenance back here again. We have a light switch. Why don't you go a little phantom on us? We're going to replace this guy. Plus it's a stab back. I'm not too fond of stab backs. So let's go cut the power. We're going to remove these guys. Some of y'all are going to hate me for this, but I use the Hubbell. These are a whole lot better than what we were using from one of our vendors, and if you've been in this business long enough, you'll know who I'm talking about. So let me cut the power. I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, I'm back. Let's go ahead and use our non-conductive tester. This is basically our hot stick voltage tester. Does nothing but tell you if there's voltage running through these lines. The old-fashioned way, you know, lick your fingers, stick it to it. I'm kidding. I'm kidding there. Calm down, guys. Alright, we're going to take our screws out here. So with our screws out, did you just see that? That's another reason why I hate stab backs. Over time, it works their way loose. These guys here will pop out. It'll break all connection. Then you just have a live wire floating in here. So watch this. See that play? I really hate that. Might be a little old school on me, but the way I've been taught growing up, hook them. On these wire strippers here, these are Klein tools. I am not endorsed. Great tool to have. This hole here, stick it through. Just like that. Hook it. Once again, stick through. Hook. It's not hard to do. Alright, there we go. Some of y'all are going to yell at me because there's no ground. Hey, this is the hand I was dealt. Ground's all bunched up back here from when it was built. I'm not going to rewire the building just because there was no ground on the light switch. So we're going to pop this guy back in. Thank you all for watching. Braxton Boys Maintenance. Like, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to ring that bell. Braxton Boys out.